First, open your browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From the left menu, click Privacy and Security. Now select Third-Party Cookies, then click See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search bar, type the name of the website that's showing the 403 error. Once it appears, click the trash icon next to it to clear the site's cache and stored data. After clearing the data, go to Extensions from the left sidebar. Temporarily turn off all extensions, especially ad blockers or security extensions, as they can sometimes block access and cause a 403 error. Now refresh the website and check if the issue is fixed. As an alternative solution, you can also try opening the website in a different browser. If the problem is browser-related, switching browsers will usually solve it. And that's how you fix the 403 forbidden error. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.